Hi everyone, this is Charlotte walking you through the registration and application process for the UNSW Co-op Program. You will first need to register for an account to apply for the program. Indicate if you're a high school leaver completing Year 12 this year or currently undertaking a gap year in this drop-down box. Please note that you are not eligible for the co-op program if your gap year has been longer than 2 years or you have already commenced a university degree. You will then need to fill out a section for your personal details. You will need to submit your UAC number along with your application as this unique code will be used as your login. If you don't have a UAC number yet, use any 9-digit number. This could be your Board of Studies number with a 1 in front of it. You must change this to a valid UAC number prior to submitting your application. The UNSW scholarships and co-op application systems use the same login, so if you've already created an account through UNSW scholarships, you don't have to register again. You can log in using your UAC or student number. Then, enter your contact residency and high school details. You must enter your residency type to register an account. Only enter your citizen country if you're an international student. After confirming your registration, click Submit. A verification email will then be sent to your nominated email address. Open the email and click on the link to validate your account. You will then need to log into your account using the UAC or student number you have provided.